I don't know what the fuck you can and can't see. Using the back camera, I'm filming in 0.5 because I'm not getting out of bed. No, I'm not. This is all that I have. I'm resting and recharging, so this is what you're getting. But I really wanted to make this video. Short and sweet, babes. You are too fucking hot and iconic to be dating worms. Worms, losers, bums, whatever you want to fucking call it. And we're not talking about someone's appearance here. We're talking about someone's energy. All right, so me and my girlfriends, Victoria and Gianna, were like literally having a girls' night, lighting up one, having a glass of motherfucking wine, and just talking. We're all spiritual. And we were just talking. And the conversation kind of led to like men. And I don't subscribe to the narrative that all men suck. If anything, gay men suck because I date gay men. So my only experience is with gay men and not straight men. And I think straight men are amazing. And I hate gay men because dating gay men suck because they're whores. I'm kidding. Obviously, that's a general statement, bitch. And I shouldn't do that. But even the gay people know watching this that you guys can be whores. Okay? Yes, you can be. Okay. I can be too, right? So I don't know. I felt so passionate about this video yesterday, but I didn't have the emotional energy to sit down and film it because I was live all day on TikTok trying to raise money for the Uber expenses that I was talking about. And when I say raising money, I mean like doing live readings for the donations. I wasn't just like, donate me money, you know what I mean? And I was just so exhausted yesterday, and I feel bad because I'm not like as inspired. Like when I do things, like I need to do them that second, or it will lose its energetic spark. It will lose momentum. I will lose inspiration, and now I'm like losing my sass, you know. But I just wanted to, and basically I was just kind of going through one of those things where I don't want to label it as heartbreak because it's not that, but I was going through one of those things where basically you're talking to a guy or someone, right? You're talking to someone, it seems flirty, they seem interested, they will talk about wanting to hang out, right? And then one day I woke up to Snapchat and he posted a man giving him flowers on his Snapchat story. And in that moment, I was hurt. And in that moment, I was very triggered. No one's lying here. I was like, to me, obviously, there is some rejection mixed into this, but it's also like, why are you wasting my time? Like, I know that I'm iconic. I'm starting to really fully believe that like loving me is magical and a gift and I'm not too much and I'm not too extra. Like I'm 95% there. I'm really starting to see like yes, I'm extra. Yes, I have like a personality, but it's like charisma and I'd rather have charisma and be labeled too much than to be boring and to be like a robot and to be a sheep and a follower to society, you know? So I'm really starting to realize that actually like even though I might not be the most confident in my body, I really do love the energy that I exude and how I make people feel and my personality. I love that I'm not boring. I love that I'm a little bit sassy. I love that I'm a little bit different. It'll make you laugh, dead ass. Like, I like outdoors. Like, I like hiking. I like, you know, paddle boating. I like kayaking. I like canoeing. I like the gym. Like, I'm working on my goals. I'm working on manifestation. So I know that, like, loving me is a gift. And I'm not just going to settle for anyone. And this is what I mean by worms or losers or bums or even when I say the word ugly. I really wish I had the energy to yell because this would be like the perfect video to yell in, but I just don't have that right now. This is what I mean by worms, losers, bums, etc. Somebody that doesn't have goals, someone that's not working towards things, someone that's okay with being complacent with living what they might think is a miserable life. Someone that's cranky all the time, like default, like not just having bad days, not just having bad seasons, like just someone that is like default cranky, always complaining about everything and not doing anything to change it, being okay with being miserable and then trying to tear other people down, like misery loves company. That is what I mean by a worm, right? Like a worm just like dangles here. Like, you know what I mean? Dead ass. Like a worm is just there. A worm is there. It just dangles there. You know, obviously, when it comes to biology and the earth, worms have very significant meanings, but that's the only metaphor that I can come up with in my head. Like, a worm just dangles. It's just there. But you, babes, you, baby, are an icon. And I was watching Real Housewives of NYC. I'm starting like from season one. I mean, no, sorry. I am watching NYC, but I'm starting Beverly Hills season one. I used to love it when I was a little younger, but then I fell out of it when Lisa Vanderpump stopped it because she was one of my favorites. I like Erica. I like Kyle is my all-time favorite. She's so pretty. I love her. And Lisa were my favorites. Like, and Kim said something yesterday. She was like, growing up being a child actor, I didn't have a lot of friends because my friends, the one friend that I did had, told me she was insecure being friends with a celebrity because Kim was always asked to take pictures and the friend was always asked to step aside, and it kind of felt, it made the friend feel like she was useless, she wasn't pretty, there was nothing special about her, right? And that's you. People are insecure dating you because you're so hot and you're so iconic and you have such a light, you have such a presence about you. It's not because you're ugly, it's because you're just better than them right now. If I could be blunt for 5 seconds, it's literally just because you're better than them. The universe, I'm sorry, I know this is like spiritual love and light, but in a way, you are better than them now. Okay? Soul to soul, no one's better than anybody. But like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I need to be blunt. Like, you're healing, you're working on yourself, body, mind, and soul. You're going to the gym. Even if you're not as consistent as you want to be, you're making steps. So be proud of yourself. You're going to the gym. Maybe if this resonates, you're eating a little bit healthier. You're just taking care of your body, mind, and soul. And you're working towards manifesting your motherfucking dream life. Like, you're special. You're rare. Because in this day and age, like, no one's doing that. It's cringy to go after what you want. It's cringy to post on social media. It's cringy to take care of your nervous system. It's cringy to do the EFT tapping. It's cringy to talk about the healing. Well, guess what? Look around and look at how the majority of people are living. Very miserable. But you aren't. You're like doing things different. You're stepping out of the box. You're coloring outside the lines. So, guess what? Loving you and having the gift of loving you and being able to give love to you and being able to receive love from you is literally a gift, bitch. Okay, so have that mindset. People aren't rejecting you because you're ugly. People are forced to leave your life because they can't handle it. They can't handle the icon energy. They can't handle the main character energy. They can't handle the celebrity, the superstar, the millionaire that's inside of you, that dog inside of you. So you need to get that through your thick skull. You're way too hot to be insecure over losers, bums, and worms. I'm dead ass. You're too much of a celebrity. Okay? I just wanted to give you that quick little reminder because I have to get ready for bed. I have work tonight. But I love you guys so much. And stay hot, stay iconic, and keep manifesting that dreams. I love you. You see?